Okay, so this is my bird feeder that I got from Amazon. So easy to set up. Again, I'm on the second floor, and I just clean the outside of the window, my arm, and you don't have to clean it if you don't want. It'll still stick, but you don't want that clean look. The suction cups are amazing, especially if 2-3 birds get on there, and I'm talking they do 2-3 birds, and I'm talking I just saw a blue jay, a woodpecker, a lot of babies, so it's actually so adorable. Again, great little bird feeder, and easy to set up. In the bottom tray that has the food on it, you just reach around and dump it out if it's empty, and everything comes out, and you put the tray back in, and then I have a little cup, and I just put the food in there. Like I said, again, it attracts so many birds, and it's easy. If you like birds or bird watching, this is definitely something for you. I really, really like it. So buying it, because I absolutely love it. I'm actually gonna buy one for my mom. Okay.
I love working at Newsmax because every day we bring you honest reporting with real conversations.
think the cardinal is going to be the first one to try it out. Come on. You can do it. Not quite yet. Oh, the female was brave. Look at her. Awesome.
We evaluate the 3 Johns, which up until now I only have seen in felony indictment papers. The question will remain is, do people see longevity there? Or will they see sort of a stroke match? And I say this with all due respect. I think Mitch McConnell is the epitome of a Southern gentleman, and we'll be sorry to see his leadership end.
It's such a great question, because what do they need is the answer to the question. So what do they need in the Senate right now?
Well, in part, what they need is somebody that can articulate the vision, because today